quick video about the Babyliss clippers. These clippers are very popular in the barber and hair industry. However, I just tried to figure out why the switch wasn't working. So I figured out I'll take it apart, and I looked inside. The switch had broke. It's a very unfortunate thing that happened, because you would think they would have a replacement part for it, but they don't. So what I did was took the clipper apart. It's very easy to take apart. You have maybe about 6 screws, something like that. You got 3 screws at the bottom, and you pull the cover off. You got 2 screws underneath the cover. You have another 2 screws, I think, that holds the body together, and then you can pull off the cover, and it's very simple to get to the inside of the motor. But we're not going to mess with the motor. This has nothing to do with the motor. It's mainly on the switch. So we're going to keep it very simple. You take out these 2 screws, and basically you're going to pry this little plastic cover with something small and flat, like a mini flathead screwdriver or something. And then be careful, because this stuff can break. So you take these 2 screws out, and after that you have access to the inside of the circuit board of the clipper. So this little side part, you can just prop it up, and it should open up very easy. Be careful how you open these things up. Sometimes they can be fragile. Some parts can be very fragile. So as you look at the switch, the area where I am trying to fix, I located the switch. It's broken. It attaches to the button from the on and off switch of the clipper. So what I did was, since I couldn't find a replacement part, I figured out I would try the Gorilla Glue, and to me, so far it's working. I added the glue on there, and make sure you apply small drops. Don't overuse the glue, because you can damage the circuit board and the inside of your clipper. So all you do is just add small drops. Align the broken part where it needs to be aligned, and make sure it's secured, and then you add the drops of glue on it, underneath it, around it, and on the side of it, and let it dry for about 12 to 24 hours. This is going to securely lock in and bond that glue with the broken part, and it should work. It should be working properly after you bonded and added the glue. But it's very unfortunate. You would think they would have a replacement part for this, but if you incur a problem, if this problem happens, just check the switch. And sometimes you can contact the manufacturer, tell them what happened. They can maybe send you a replacement part, or they can send you a new clipper. I hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe.